Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing another luxury haul, and you know these are my favorite to film. I have a lot of goodies this time around, and I am mainly focusing on upping my shoe game. So I have a lot of shoe pieces to show you guys, and I'm really excited. So let's get started. Alrighty, so let's first talk about ready-to-wear pieces. First off, I have this Love Shack Fancy cardigan, and I think it's perfect for springtime because of the color. It's just so bright and colorful, and I really love how there are embroidered roses as part of the patterning of this cardigan. It's very cute, and I love pairing this with my Chanel mini flap in the pink tweed. So I do think that the little pink roses here really matches really nicely with the pink tweed that I already have. And next up, I also have this gorgeous Erdem dress, and this dress is just so stunning. I love the high detail here, and the back of this is just very beautiful. I'm gonna zip this up. It does look like it has a bralette top, so it does come like this, and then you just like cinch it in at the back. And the front has this bralette black detailing on the top, which I think is a very nice design touch. The most favorite part about this dress that I love is the print. I just think that the golden shimmering tones of the floral print is stunning, especially when moving around. I do think that the colors of this really comes out with movement, and I took this dress on a photo shoot with my hubby, and I'm going to show a picture here. And I really love this twirly photo because it has a really nice texture on the dress. So I do think that this dress was definitely a steal. I got this at the employee sale. I think it's going for like 3.5K, so I got it for around $500 just because the button closure snapped, but I do have the buttons that came with the dress, so I can just sew it back. Alrighty, so the next item that I have is this beautiful camel coat from Toteme, and I really love the pocket detailing here. It just reminds me of a very like utilitarian coat, and it is very thin. There's no lining in it, but it's 100% wool. It keeps you super warm even though it's very thin, and I think this is like the most perfect shade of camel to have. It's very casual because, you know, it's kind of like an oversized cut, but it does tailor in on the waist a little bit, so it does bring your waist in. And I just love the buttoning and the pocket detailing over here. So the next item I have is this blazer from the Frankie shop. And this blazer is the perfect oversized blazer. I know I'm like trying to get into this like cool girl vibe and this like city chic vibe in my outfit choices. So I just love how, even though this is like such a tailored blazer, I love the oversized fit. It makes it a lot more casual. It makes it look like you're wearing your boyfriend's clothes. And yeah, I just really love the material of it. It fits really nicely on the shoulders. I also got the matching pants in the extra small. So here are the pants. I have to get this steamed, but it is way too big on the waist. And this one does not have an elasticated back, so it is kind of sad because you have to wear a belt with this if I don't get this tailored. And I'm already usually on the extra small size, but the Frankie shop does run really big, so I definitely recommend to size down. In my case, extra small was the smallest size that they have, so my only option is to get it tailored. So the next item I have is this gorgeous Paterre dress, and I really loved seeing this on Lydia Millen. And when I saw it on her Instagram, I was like, wow, that's such a nice dress. So I actually went on the site and I realized that I actually did see this dress before. Paterre is actually a brand that Gal Meets Glam actually founded, and I really love her taste in dresses because I'm also a dress lover myself. So I was so excited to see that she had her own line of dresses and little girls clothing and also like home stuff. And when I first saw it on the site, I wasn't really drawn to it because the model wasn't wearing the tie belt. When I saw this dress on Lydia, she had the belt cinched in, and I really loved how she styled it. I would say that this dress is a beautiful print, but you have to be careful with how see-through it is. So you can already see my skin through this here, my hands through the dress here. So I have a lot of slip dresses that I have that I already own from previous dresses that I can just pop it under here. But I do really love the print, and it really reminds me of the Brock collection dress that I already have in my closet. So the next item I have is this Prada Crochet top. And I really love crochet in the summer. I do think that this is the most like trendy piece I have in my closet. If you haven't checked out my spring 2022 trends video, I will link it up in the cards here. But I do love this Prada top. It feels very street to me. I'm trying to branch out into like different styles. I usually love very girly style. This is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I really love how I can style it up in different ways. It's super versatile. And I did a reel here, so I'll put up the video on the side over here. Alrighty, so the next portion of the video comes with this amount of shoes. So I definitely did a lot of shopping with my shoe game. But the first pair of shoes is from Mach and Mach. And I've been loving Mach and Mach. I do think that even though you have to be very precious with it, I do think that it's just too pretty to have on your feet. And let me just show you. Okay, so the first pair I have are the lower heel of the classic bow tie shoe. And I do think that this is just the most like perfect Cinderella shoe out there. I really love the heel height. I love kitten heels because I cannot walk in high heels. And if I do opt for wearing high heels, it's usually for a special occasion. So yeah, I mean, I really love the crystalline detail here, and the big bow tie in the front is so cute. I just love bow ties, anything, so this is really, really a beautiful shoe to have. Okay, so the next one I have is also from Mach and Mach, and this is in the higher heel height. And for this shoe in particular, I am usually a 36.5, but I sized up for a 37 just because it is very pointy in the front. So I just wanted to give myself more leeway and more comfort in terms of wearing this. It comes with this pearl detailing that wraps around your ankles. And I really love how this kind of creates like maybe like a touch of jewelry for your feet. This giant crystal detailing in the front is also very beautiful with the pearl detailing here. And then the next item I have is from Miu Miu. Now this one was recommended by my colleague Kelvin, and he was retouching this. So if you don't know, I actually work for Moda Operandi, and I do get a really nice staff discount. So I got this 50% off. But this was like the last item that we have. But yeah, I just think that Calvin knows me so well. He looked at the shoe and was like, oh my gosh, you have to get this. It is a small little kitten heel, so it's actually the most comfortable heel that I have so far in my closet. I love how the shoe comes with a little coin in the front here, and it does have a very subtle Miu Miu sign in the front of the tongue. I just think that the white and brown on the shoe is just the most perfect combination with the golden coin in the front. So I can't wait to wear this out. So next up we have Amina Muaddi, and this shoe, I really wanted a shoe to match my Chanel top handle from the 22P collection. So that one was like a purple pink ombre, and I really love the colors of that, so I wanted to get a shoe to match the bag. So this shoe here is really special because it changes color in terms of how you view it. So if you turn it around, you can see that it moves as a rainbow from purple to this like neon blue color. So I really like how it does change in the light, and the color does change according to like how you photograph it, how you walk in them. So like every movement you take, it just kind of like changes. And I really love how unique this shoe is. Now, I love Amina Muaddi's. I know that people have questioned the quality of their products, but I actually really love this triangular shaped heel. I do think it's pretty genius because it makes it a lot easier to balance and a lot easier to walk in heels. So even though it is like a pretty high heel compared to what I'm used to with the kitten heels, I do think that this is a very comfortable shoe to wear. Alrighty, so the next shoe I have is a very special piece, and this is from Hermes. I know this is like not the most special unboxing there is, but you know what? I feel like I just need to feel special opening up a orange box, right? And this has been like everywhere on social media, so I feel like this is not the most special unboxing. But anyway, so I got this over the weekend and hubby got it for me. So I'm so touched that he got this for me. He knew I've been eyeing these pair of shoes for a while now. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing on camera. Like that, the dust bag, and this is actually the first time seeing it since I got it from the store. They are the Oran sandals in tan. I feel like everybody has these sandals, but I do think that it is just such a classy piece to have, and also because they are flats, it's just so much easier to walk in, and it's actually a very comfortable pair of shoes. I do recommend sizing up one full size, so I'm usually 36.5 and I got a 37.5. So this runs really small, especially if you have wide foot like me. So I do like a little bit of room in the front to move around. And also I got this just last week, so it's still spring here, and my feet has not expanded like how it usually does in the summer. So when I was trying it in store, a 37 was like the perfect fit, but I feel like because this is summer sandals, I have to account how my feet will grow and it will become a little bit swollen in the summer. So I decided to do a full size up. So the next few items I'm going to show you are just mainly earrings. So on top of having my shoe game up for the summer and spring months, I am also upping my jewelry game. So these few pieces are from Jade Oi Studios, and she's a friend of mine. She designs all these earrings and bridal accessories mainly for brides to be, but I feel like her designs are so elevated and also very easy to pair with everyday wear. So the first piece that I will show you are these ones here. And what I really love about these are that it comes with this pearl detail here, and it also looks like you're wearing double hoops. It also looks like you're wearing double hoops on your ears, but actually it is a fake double hoop. So it is great for people like me with just one hole in your ear. So the next gold piece I got are these dangling earrings. And I really love how this just elongates my jawline and it gives me a skinnier frame on my face. So I really love these drop earrings, and I do think that the gold looks really nice. She also has one in the silver as well. And then the next two earrings I have are the silver ones, and this is like a shape of a flower, and then the other one is a little, I don't know how to describe this, but it has like a little crisscross detail here with a little dangly pearl on the bottom. And generally, I do think that all her pieces are very elegant, and it just gives me a little bit of special factor in just like a casual piece. So I really love dressing her pieces for everyday wear and also elevate it for those more formal events that I have to go for. Alrighty, so that's the end of my haul. It's a little bit short and sweet, but I really love all these pieces, and I'm so excited to style up all these shoe pieces for the spring and summer months. I hope you guys are well, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.